So this notation means the 32nd derivative of 2 sine of x, which sounds crazy, but there's a pattern, when you evaluate the derivative. If f of x is sine of x, I'm dropping the 2 for a second because the 2 is not going to really matter. You can just factor this to the outside and multiply. Same thing. You'll get the same result. Okay? That's one of the basic properties of a derivative that we talked about. So the first derivative, the derivative of sine is cosine. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. And then back, now the derivative of negative sine is negative cosine. And the derivative of negative cosine would be back to sine of x. And then we just repeat ourselves. The fifth derivative is cosine, sixth derivative is negative sine of x. So basically, with the derivative that you're talking about, if it's divisible by 4, then it's sine of x. If the derivative you're talking about divided by 4 has a remainder of 1, then it's cosine of x. Remainder of 2, negative sine of x. Remainder of 3, negative cosine of x. So here, 32 divided by 4 gives us 8. There's no remainder. So we should expect this derivative to be sine of x. Because the fourth derivative, if you were to take this and divide by 4, it should be sine of x. Because the fourth, the 8th, the 12th, the 16th, the pattern would continue every time you go 4 derivatives.